Okay, this is the biggest woodpecker I have ever seen in my life. He is the size of a goffin. Maybe bigger, maybe the size of a Malaccan. He is just absolutely huge. Trinket like freaked out. He was standing on his, here's Trinket. Where's Trinket? Let's see if I can get Trinket. There's Trinket. He flew to go to his perch and he made a 180 and took off. Okay, where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Let's see, there he is. Yeah, he's huge. Isn't he? He's a big bird. Oh my gosh. Gee, look. Is he a big, ginormous woodpecker? Yeah, he's the biggest woodpecker I've ever seen. Ever. He's trying to get some bugs out of there. Want to say hi to the camera? Can you say hi? There he is. Okay. Let's see. I lost him again. Mama doesn't have her glasses on. Let's see, did he? Oh, there he is. He's coming up to the top of the branch there. Oh, there he is. See him? There. Wow, he's big. Uh-oh. He just got, I think he got dive bombed by one of the blackbirds. Oh my gosh. Trinket's biting on my ear because I'm